Hi, I'm Jake from Pink Boots Hire, and today I'm going to be taking you through the JLG 8-metre electric scissor. This video will also apply to the 6-metre, 8-metre, 8-metre narrow and 10-metre ES range. Let's go. You need to ensure that the key is in the machine. If the machine's been delivered the night before or you're not on site, our driver will usually lock it in the lockbox here. A code will be given to you. Once you've got the key, insert it into the machine. You can operate the electric scissors from either the base or the basket. Now I'm going to select it to operate from the base. So I'll turn the key right, selecting down. Ensure that he stops out. Now you can operate from the base. Now if you want to operate the machine from the basket, just select the basket by turning all the way to the left. Now ready to go. If you ever need to lower the scissor and someone's in there and it doesn't seem to be working, you can always lower with the emergency relief valve from below, which is located to the left-hand side of the machine. When the machine goes up, the flaps will come down. Ensure that there's nothing below the machine impeding these flaps, or the machine will not be able to drive while at height. If you have the machine on long-term hire or using it for multiple days, we recommend plugging it in at night. You charge the machine via plugging a lead into the charging point below here. So once you're in the basket and you've got the basket selected from the bottom, then you'll pull the e-stop, wait for the beep. Now it's ready to operate. So grab the joystick and you pull the trigger, and then once you pull the trigger in, then you can go forwards and backwards. You can steer using the joystick on the top here, to the left and right. Once the scissors are in position and you want to go up, flick across, now you can go up and down. Grab the joystick again, pull the trigger in, then pull back to go up. And then it's the same to go down. So put your hand on the joystick, pull the trigger, and push forward. There's a button to the left-hand side of the toggle switch that allows you to select indoor or outdoor settings. On the indoor, you can have up to 450 kilos in the basket. On the outdoor setting, it allows you to have 230 kilos in the basket. On the JLG electric ES range too, we have extendable decks. To do that, grab your handles, and there's a foot pedal down the bottom, and you push the foot pedal down and then you push. If you're ever in tight areas and you need to watch both sides of the machine, you can actually remove the control from the basket by pulling the button, lifting up, and then now you can go all the way around as you're driving. So that's it for the JLG 26-foot electric scissor. If there's anything else, please comment below or give us a call. Taking service to New Heights.